Hey guys, Tuesday, January 7th, 2025. Let's see what the Black Widow did today. So far, looking at the Commitments of Traders report, COT, you can say large speculators are just kind of sideways. However, commercial are still hedging. So let's see how that's going to resolve. So far, large speculators are stalling here. Looking at our Elliott wave forecast, if we were to pull back in, there's a target here of 329 and also 314. These are fourth wave projections, and then a fifth wave projection target all the way to like around 338, 538. Sorry, 538. Now, however, if my projection red line is going to pull that gas down, it's going to pull into February. We got a target of $3, and that's going to be somewhere in February, the second week, bottoming out. So it could be a little wonky here. So this is for the bears, and then this one is for the bulls for a higher target of around 539. Let's go into the charts market profile. As you can see right here, 349. We failed that. That was that pivot low. Now we're hanging on the value area high. So let's see if that holds. If not, obviously 333 all the way to 327. Looking at our simple glance, we cracked the mobile bands. MACD is still negative. However, there's a point of control of 337. So I could kind of see it there and hit the value area low of 332 and maybe bounce. So there's a lot of support here. Maybe I could probably pull back in. Failed the 20, you got the 50. This is an area of high interest. If we were to pull that, that could be our wave maybe 4 around there, and then go into a wave 5. Now wave 4 won't play out, and we're going deep into February. Deep, then we're going to probably get into the cloud. That's just my speculation. Looking at our daily, we failed the midpoint for the month. We hit a quadrant here at 343. Next target will be 328. Mobos are negative. Stokes are unwinding, and that's on the daily. Looking at our 4-hour, you can see that we failed this area right here, which is a 75%, 350. You got the 200 right here, 339, and then the low of 333. Once you crack 333, it's going to be free fall all the way to 311. Got a linear regression channel there. The 4-hour is mobiles are negative. Stokes are pushing to the downside. PPS sell signal on the 4-hour. So it needs to hold this 200 or these pivots right here. So this is your line in the sand. You're already on, bear territory. On top of that, you fail the 385, which is the 1x1 on the scale chart. And lastly, looking at an hour, these are for like scalpers. If you're going to try to go short, you got to make sure you don't cross above 358. If it pops in the overnight session, this is probably an area to pounce. If you're a bear, for a target of 335 all the way to 327. So these are the targets to the downside. So that's if it's a bounce. But if it's a bounce higher, obviously you're going to test 373, pretty much the highs that we've been. And then I'll be back into range bound. I'm leaning more than maybe we'll get a little more since we're on a wave 3 over here to your left. Work on a wave 4. And like I said, for the bulls, wave 5 coming up, 539 target. For the bears, if there is no wave 5, straight down into February, maybe around $3, maybe even $2.50. I'm going to sign out. Hope you like this video. I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on that gas.